Hey guys, welcome to my graduation vlog.
Spend it, I don't believe in a that. Man, a pre-foundation, youth lot, man, lot. When the thing shot it off, impact. I mean, little me, I pre everything, and I say, me, I feel it for impact. Say the thing so anywhere me go, when me, I step in, them I feel say I am that. Enough man get the chance and flop, vendetta, I don't believe in a that.
Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. It's graduation day. Yay! But my graduation is not until later. It's like 12:30 right now, and we had some shrimp and fish and stuff in the fridge. And I'm a strong believer in not wasting food. So I'm gonna cook it. I'm gonna cook it all, and we're gonna eat it. We're not going nowhere to eat. We're gonna eat it. And let me show you. Let me show you guys. We got all this shrimp, right? We got a few pieces of tilapia. We got chicken breast. So I'm about to make them. I have a little bit of rice left. I don't think we have any more sides, but we gonna make it because I'm not throwing this out. Let me see this. This is $5.70. Okay, and shrimp not cheap. This was probably like, I don't know, a little less than $10, and this was like almost 10 or a little less. So that's a lot of money. I'm not wasting that. So I'm about to make it. It's still 12:30. We got time, and we have company at our apartment, so they can eat. So yeah. So yes, I mean, so don't waste food, but now waste it. And I have a few things to do before graduation, so I need to hurry up. Hey guys, welcome to my graduation vlog. Paige. Oh my god, guys, I still don't feel like I'm graduating. I know I'm dressed and everything. I don't know. Maybe when I walk across the stage, it'll be real. It's probably loud, so you probably cannot hear me, but guys. Yep. I don't know about this graduation vlog because it's just like I'm just pulling out the camera. It's loud and busy, but I'm trying to do everything, so. Guys, I was sitting next to somebody I did not know. I had to come find people that I know to sit next to because we sit by our majors, so I had to find somebody to come sit. I was sitting next to all these white people. I had to find Georgie. I can't believe I'm graduating. I'm gonna cry. Watch, I'm gonna cry. So guys, graduation is over. I didn't get to vlog like I planned because it was too much. But, so what's up to my dad? Ooh, I'm getting some money.
What did I do? I lose $50.
You lose $50?
Yeah.
Say what's up to my mom.
Oh.
What you guys do? Say hey.
Hi.
You're not the speaker, Jamaican them.
Whatever.
Speaky spookies. You know where this going tonight? The bar. Celebrating. She said she gonna meet us.
Yeah, take time to turn around, man.
What sweat?
Baby, won't you come my way? Got something I want to say. Can I keep you out my way? But first off, I want to say you this. Hey, oh, hands up, you think you take my bitch. Hey, so I will miss. Hey, baby, won't you come my way?
Hey guys, I'm sorry I didn't do much vlogging yesterday. I said I was gonna do a separate graduation vlog, but I can't because I don't have any footage. Like yesterday was crazy, but anyway, I'm all moved out. My room is empty. You can hear the echo in here, but everything is done. Huh? I had a pen in my wallet. But I'm gonna show y'all how empty my room is. It's been real, Penn State. My room is empty. My room is empty. My lights are gone. Everything. Just look at it. Oh, they gave us that, so we have to leave it on the bed. I don't know what the hell that did. I didn't use it, but it's been real. Guys, another successful day at, this is my second day at fit camp. Basically it's just some adults, they work out after work, it's free, so I decided I'll hop on it. They work out Monday through Thursdays and on Saturdays, so I just decided to come work out. I came with Paige. So I had fun. I had so much fun. It's really, it's a good way to get back into my fitness. And I love group workouts. That's fun. And I love group workouts. So yeah, it was good. I'm out of breath. But I'm just waiting for Paige to come get me to go back to her house. But now I'm hungry. Yesterday after fit camp, I went and got Jamaican food, which was bad. So today I think I'm gonna go to ShopRite. Say what's up to the vlog, Paige.
Hola. Hola, YouTube.
Fit squad, okay, with the
Fit
gear.
squad.
Hey guys, guess where I'm at? My mama house. Mama said, hey, what's that light? They can't see you. Let me go say. Mama, I thought breadfruit. And they bring Jamaica come my phone. Guys, I'm going in the basement. I have all these dirty clothes to wash. Yo, cause I shipped all my clothes down from school. I'm in the basement. What's this? Oh, my mom bought laundry detergent. Yeah. But Mommy, you didn't leave your clothes them in that dryer. No, I think they don't that stink, but then I stink. Alright guys, I'm about to do some laundry. I'll be right back. With my food done, so I can show a pound of my breadfruit and my stew chicken, yeah. So, I'm eating my breadfruit, I'm showing. Don't mind how they cut up. I had to, ooh, the stove is still on. I had to fry them because that's the best way to do it. Anyway, I'm gonna at my mom's house today. I'm doing laundry. And yeah. It's hard to vlog here because they're not doing well for them. They boring. So I'm just gonna eat and chat. I just talked to my grandparents. Well, my grandma. She's on the road. Anyway, I'm gonna eat because I'm hungry. It's so hard to like prove them wrong because it meant so much to